Copy these dowel spurtles featuring the 4-in handles for hearty morning porridge preparation. Start by precisely cutting to length, and securely cutting lengths for your custom wooden kitchen cooking utensils. Use a center finder before rounding off the ends to ensure a completely simple and safe finish. Execute quick round over, and finish using that clever DIY clamp at drill support. Learn how to, in a Scottish accent, and save this.
I adjusted the sizing of the Scottish spurtle this time around, and the bottom for the handle, the 4 inches long part, I made that from inch doweling, and the stem, which is 7 inches long, I made that from 1/2 inch doweling, and the latter ones I oiled with mineral oil. You can do this occasionally, or you can seal it 2/3 of the way up from the handle with sealer, but do not seal the last third, as that part of the spurtle is in the food. Okay, slán siva. Made a few alterations to the Scottish spurtle this time around. I made the handle from inch doweling and the shaft from 1/2 inch. You can seal the spurtle 2/3 of the way up from the handle. Alternately, you can use mineral oil to do the whole thing.